I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to the series on Challenge of the Day. 12th February 2019. The question for you is based on ratios. Ratio of persons who like cars to vans is 5 to 3 in my workplace. 32 more persons like car than van in my office. How many persons are in my office? 4 choices are given to you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So let me thank all the persons who are participating actively. Here is the solution of yesterday's challenge of the day, where the question was based on joint variation. If y varies jointly as x and z, and 5x is to 2 equals to y is to z, find the constant of variation. So to give you an idea of joint variation, we took an example of distance, speed, and time. So we know distance is proportional to speed and distance is also proportional to time, right? So there is a joint variation. That's what we mean. Now in this particular case, what are we saying? We are saying that y varies jointly as x and z. So y is proportional to x times z, right? So that means y should be equal to some constant k times x times z. Find the constant of variations, that is this value of k, which we need to find. Perfect. That is the question for you. What are we given? We are given that 5x is to 2 is equal to y is to z, right? So if I could isolate y, I actually get my solution. So I'll write them in fractions, rather I should say rational expression for both these ratios. So 5x over 2 equals to y over z. Now we could cross multiply. So what we get here, rather we can just isolate y from here. So we get 5x times z over 2 equals to y. Do you see that part? So clearly we could isolate y from here and write y equals 2. We have 5 over 2 and then xz. Do you see that? So 5 over 2 is your constant. So A is the right option. Perfect. So that is how you could do this particular question. It's a very important concept. I hope this particular question brings that around you. We will have few more questions on joint variations soon. Thanks for watching and participation. Feel free to write your answers in the comments below. That will really help. Thank you and all the best.